Hello, so Assalamu alaikum. Welcome again in my new video. If you are a new YouTuber and you are trying to complete your 4000 or watch time and you cannot complete, today I will tell you the way how can you complete your 4000 or watch time. I will tell you the best app. Many people are saying that app watch time is not counted and this and that. This will be your human watch time. This watch time will be computed and your channel will be monetized. It's my guarantee. This application give the human watch time. Humans will watch your video and complete your watch time. This watch time will be counted on your YouTube, and you will got no issue in YouTube monetization. So first of all, you have to go to Play Store. So search here rapid view. So search here rapid view. Here is the application on the first number in the blue interface. You have to install this application. I have already installed this application, so open this application in your mobile phone. In this application, there is the best option of autoplay. You can leave your phone for overnight and you can get the watch time. Leave your phone for overnight, you can get watch time. Here I have add many campaigns here. In this way, I am getting the watch time and my channel is monetized now. I am only taking the views from this application now. In this application, what how can you earn coins? First of all, you have to earn these coins, then you will add campaigns. First of all, you will do this on autoplay. Here click on autoplay and pause the video, resume the video. So now in this you can see countdown is started. In front of you, next video will be played. Now I will stop this video. Now you can see next video will play it automatically. You can leave your phone for overnight in this way. Now you can see new videos here. In this way you can leave your phone for overnight and next video will play automatically. You can see now next video is played automatically. Like this you can earn coin in this application. Then second way is that how can you add campaign to your video? How can you add the campaign? First of all, you have to copy the link of your video. First of all, you have to copy the link of your video from YouTube or your creator studio and add a long press on this and click on paste and click on add. So they are saying only five characters are allowed, so I will add the new campaign here. From here you can select the watch time. So they are saying that your video max watch time is 360 because my video length is short. So here I will select 360 watch time. Now here I will select this watch time and I will select the views, how much views I want. Like this you can add campaign to your video. Like this you can get watch time. You can complete your 4000 hour watch time. If you are leaving your phone for overnight, you can complete the watch time in few days. If you can open, you can do this on your 2 to 3 mobiles. This application is allowing one email on in 2 to 3 phones. Once you, if you are having one email, you can open this email in someone other's mobile. You can open this you can install this app in your brother's phone and you will install this application in your brother's phone, in that phone or friend's phone. In your, if your email will be same, your coin here, your coin and in your friend's phone or in your phones will be combined together. You can if there are almost 2 to 3 mobiles in every home. If you're having 4 5 mobiles in per home, you can take mobiles from your all home members and open this application and put on this autoplay. Here in one day you can earn more than 1 lakh coin. If you are adding 2 to 3 phones, you can earn 1 2 lakh coins in a day. If you're having 4 phones and you are leaving the phone for overnight, so from here you can also buy coins. Here they are giving 2 lakh coin in $20 and 15 lakh coin in $100. Like this, in this application you can also buy coins. Here from here you can add the campaign and you can complete your watch time in few days. I am taking watch time from this application. I have used this application. Then I am telling you, if I have not used this application, I will never tell you this application is authentic and giving you views. Like this you can do on this autoplay and you can leave your phone for overnight. You can take phone of your friends and home members, and you can you can put this phone on autoplay. In this way you will complete your watch time. So here is in Play Store, people are saying I have monetized the channel with this application. So first of all, and I will tell you the reviews. I will tell you reviews of this application. Here are the reviews. Now they're saying great app, but before some it face issues. I created a campaign of 600 second vendor views compare 15 minutes. They are saying many people have monetized their channel from this application. So I will tell you. So they are saying fantastic. I earn gets coin run 15 campaign of 67. That's so amazing. Thank you for doing this application really helped me in growing my channel, but it little mistake time complete but task will variable. If the views is not fast compared other app, but I am satisfied. Great app, can help boost our views. Thanks, recommended this app, great application, it's really amazing, could help me a lot of my vlog. I observed 24 hours, then boom, it will be increase a lot of developer. Thanks. They are saying that this application is, everyone is saying that this application is very good, and I have seen 2 to 3 reviews in that they were saying that we have monetized channel by this application. My 4000, we completed 4000 hour watch time with this application. Hope so. If you hope so, like if you like my video, if you like my video, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. Thank you.